Hi, Heinzie.
Hello.
Do you know you're my father-in-law now?
Yes, I know that.
And Sarah is my wife.
Yeah.
So we're off to Halmstad today
To plan more wedding
to plan
things.
more wedding things. I feel a lot better. Sarah's feeling a lot worse.
Yeah.
Heinzie still looks gorgeous. So yeah, we slept here last night. Last couple of days
good.
have been terrible. We haven't recorded anything. We've just been sick and planning
You've been
stuff.
sick and
I've
I've
been
been
sick.
like dragging you around.
Dragging you around. It's been great. So now we're going to go down to Halmstad, meet the celebrant at 10. It's now
8?
7:59. We planned to leave at 8, didn't we?
Yeah.
So we're doing well. We're doing well. Heinzie's gorgeous. He's going to go down to Malmö today. And that's it. And then we're just going to plan it out as it is. We're going to go and see Minnie. Sometime today. I don't know what time. She finishes at 6.
Yeah.
So see her at 6 maybe. And then we might have plank.
Oh, she had chili con carne prepared for
I
you.
love chili con carne.
It's like the mince but with beans in.
Yeah, beans.
You like it.
So we'll go do that, and that's our day.
Yeah.
So hey, Dor.
Hey, dog.
We made it. We're in Halmstad.
Yes.
How you feeling?
Tired.
Yeah, Sarah slept a lot of the way. I cannonballed it here. What was the speeds? A lot. Very fast, but very fun. So now we're here. We're gonna go to Wayne's. It's what's the time?
9:04.
9:04. So we got 50 something minutes until we got to get to the celebrant. So we'll stop, have a fika, go for a bit of a wander, stretch the legs, and then go to our house. Sounds like a plan?
Yes.
Sounds like a plan.
Plan.
Let's go inside. Hey. Been here a whole 30 seconds and I can see Wayne's. Wayne's coffee. What do I say? Stool et de meer.
Stor cappuccino.
Stool cappuccino. I want a large one.
Yeah, stor is large.
Stool. Yes. Hello. Stool
Cappuccino.
cappuccino.
Atame.
Atame. Tack. And
What else did you want?
I'll have an opal. Choklad då. Ja, choklad. Tack så mycket. And do you want anything? Do you want chai or anything? And she'll have the thing. You got my wallet. Oh, tack så mycket. Cup. Can I get a cup this time? Tack så mycket. Alright. Oh, I got a bowl. Alright. Hey. My first coffee. So my first Wayne's coffee in Sweden is not too bad. It was really confusing because she gave me a super small cup and said that's a large. I said, what's this cup? And she said, that's a small. I went, okay. Can I have it in a big cup, please? She put it in a big cup. But Wayne's, I don't understand. You used to make such good coffee. What happened? But anyway, so how you feeling?
Good drink.
Sarah has a good drink. We have a chocolate ball. So we're just gonna chill here for a bit until we basically go. Nothing's opening until after 10, so. But it's nice here. We're relaxing. I have a rusky throat.
Look at the flower wall.
The flower is nice. We got a flower wall back here. But yeah, so Sweden, here we come. So here I am, sitting in Halmstad, Sweden, my favorite place in the world, having my favorite coffee, Wad's favorite coffee. And I find a Sarah. Hey Bear.
Hey guys.
How you doing?
I'm better.
You look
Tired.
Are you ready to go and plan our wedding? Are you ready to do all the wedding planning and wedding and fun planning things?
I don't know. Are you gonna help me?
Of course I am. I love you. So we've got a lot sorted, but a lot still to go. So we have a bit to do.
This weekend's gonna be a bit hectic.
This weekend's going to be hectic. It's going to be a very strong
It's gonna be fun though.
and long and fun, intense weekend. But I think we'll get a lot done.
Oh yeah, then we can enjoy
Then
until
we'll
like
enjoy
the
it.
last.
And then I go to London. I go to London in a couple of days
Yeah.
to see the Fam Bam,
Just gonna
the
put
Lee
this way.
Fam Bam. And yeah,
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Love you.
Let's go. Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. Hey to the door. Hey door. We spend about 5 minutes or 10 minutes in that little cafe getting stuff for the celebrant to say thank you.
Yeah.
It just took forever.
Yeah.
Now we're at the car. Now we're gonna try and get to the celebrant. Let's go.
Yeah.
Come on, go yellow. Come on, go yellow. Down there is where Sarah's little house used to be. Isn't that right?
This actually
Next one. So we're going through Halmstad again, which is great. There's the trade centre. I love it. You can see it from pretty much everywhere in Sweden. Look, there's the building that we're building when we were building with the building next to the building. When we first moved here, that building was being built. That's what I'm trying to say. There's trade tower. Me and Dad went up there. It was great. It was absolutely awesome. Whoa, look at the traffic. So yeah, it's getting cooler that we're back here. So there's the uni. This is awesome. And it's sunny. How good is it? It's actually sunny. I think it's great. When was the last time we were here? September? So I got Wayne's coffee, driving through the centrum of town again to see the celebrant, which we're going to be late again. Oops. We're always late to everything we do. There's our old home. Face that way and see our old home. You're going to love it. Wow, it's still quite big. Willie's is still there, kicking ass. There's our home, our old home. God, it's beautiful. I miss it. There's the gym, Willie's. It's all still here. Tattoo parlor around the corner. Hey, there's a Domino's here now. So yeah, it's good old Halmstad. Hasn't changed much, man. Minnie's old place up there. That was a very beautiful place, but we're gonna go see her new one, which is gonna be awesome. And yeah. Gonna see Minnie tonight. It's gonna be great. Oh, Jesus Christ. Is this traffic or what? Is this Swedish traffic? Holy moly. I'm gonna sneak through. Good old Swedish traffic. So yeah, a lot of construction. We gotta go under the bridge and go through town. So, oh, Easter stuff's still up. It's beautiful Easter stuff. So I'll love you and leave you there, and see you soon. Who's it? Hey dog.